Good day to one and all. My name is Vishnu. I am pursuing BTech Artificial Intelligence in MIT University Lucknow campus. Today I am going to demonstrate my project on machine learning, which is diagnosis health diagnosis website. In this website, you can predict heart disease or liver disease according to the scanning values of heart or liver. In this website, in home page, there will be the introduction of this project, and there is the matter about what is heart disease, what is the overview of heart disease, and what are symptoms of heart disease, like as well as the heart disease. There is the data for liver disease, what is the overview of liver disease, and what are the symptoms of the liver disease. After that, there are heart disease prediction and liver disease prediction. First, we will predict for liver disease. Now I will give some values so that according to the machine learning algorithm which I trained, it will predict the thing which is having the disease or not. Okay, now I will give the values which is having a disease. Now it will predict is there any liver disease for this values for these features or not. It is predicting that, as I said, I given the data which is having the liver disease, so it is predicting that according to the given details the chances of having liver diseases are high, so please consult a doctor. Now we will give the values which are not having the liver disease. Now we will try to predict how the machine learning algorithm is working. Yeah, it's predicting correctly. It is predicted that according to the given details, person not having the liver disease. Now, as like that only, we can do for heart disease. First, I will give the heart disease, the futures values of the heart disease which are not having the heart disease. Now I have given the values which are not having heart disease. Now we'll check how the algorithm is working, machine learning model. Yeah, it is predicted that according to the given details, person does not have heart disease. Like this, you can predict anyone's details by giving those scanning values, and you can predict if there is heart disease or liver disease or not. This is my overall project. I used flask development for the for this website. The backend is flask development and front end is normal HTML and CSS. Now we'll see how these models are working and how I predicted these algorithms. Now first we'll go to heart disease detection. Now here I grabbed the data of heart disease of some patients from kaggle.com. If we check these features of the data, it is containing these 12 features and 13th feature is target. We have to predict this target feature only in this project. Okay, it is having, see if you can see, it is having only the ones or zeros. So now we will check how many patients database is there. Here we can, if we see, it is having 303 patients details and 13 features. It means this is the 14th one, the columns number 290 291. So there are 13 features. So in this data there are 303 rows and 13 data columns. And after that I analyzed the data using some methods and matplotlib I seen that data is there any null, and count of the data means here 165 members are not having the heart disease and 138 members are having the heart disease. Like that I predict some of the values and analyze it. After that I am going to machine learning topic. In this here we neglect the target column and give to x value, and we will took the target value and will give to the y. This is the predicting ones. So after that we will split it by train test split. After that I am using 4 machine learning models in this project, and I am testing those machine learning models. I'm evaluating those models by using accuracy score, and finally I will choose only one model from this. I am considering the models logistic regression, k nearest neighbors, decision tree classifier, support vector missions. And I evaluated every model and I predicted those models using accuracy score, how much accuracy is those models. And I came to conclusion that the logistic regression is working good as compared to other models. So I considered logistic regression for this heart disease model, and I predicted the values, like we given the values there, I predicted from here and it is given the correct accurate results. So this is the back end what is happening in the heart disease detection. As well as the heart disease detection, the liver disease detection also I done the same approach, but in this it is having some null values, so I done some data cleaning process, and after that I pre-placed male and female with 1 and 2 numbers. And same process in this also I am using 3 machine learning models: logistic regression, random forest classifier, decision tree classifier. After coming to the conclusion, I found out that random forest classifier is working good for this liver data. It is all it is an Indian liver patient data which I brought from kaggle.com. Now I predicted the data from this dataset using random forest classifier. It is also predicting correctly. As you can see how it is given the results we already did in the web app also, same result only. And for that web app I used the flask development. I uploaded the code in GitHub. I will show how I used this flask development. In home page it will render the front page. According to the request from the home page, it will render the page. If we request for liver page, liver detection, it will render that form of the liver detection page, and after posting it will grab those details, and according to our liver analysis, here we consider the algorithm random forest classifier. So we are using random forest classifier and we are fitting the data, training and testing the data. After that we are predicting the data. According to the prediction, it will render the message to the results HTML page. Okay, result.html, it will send that value. On result.html page we'll show the result as we seen in the output when I shown you the website. Okay, so this is my health diagnosis website which predicts the heart disease and liver disease. Thank you for watching my video.